Todd here. First day on my trip to India and the Philippines on location. Got the 2 bags here, like 60 pounds of carry-on, all the cameras and everything. A little mishap with the visa already, misspelled my last name by 1 letter, which was a problem at check-in. First leg of 28 hours of flying. Portland to Denver, Denver to Frankfurt, Frankfurt to India. Long day ahead. Two flights down, 1 to go in Frankfurt now, and getting ready, an hour to board to India. Made it to the hotel after going through customs and everything and the carnet for all the equipment, to the room at like 4 a.m. yesterday. And now it's, what is it? It's like 9 o'clock, getting ready to have breakfast on day 2. But little view. How do I open the curtains here? I don't know if I can. Little view. So good start to the day. Off to get some breakfast.
Are you in Hyderabad, Chomala Palace?
You almost lost an arm on that one. Crazy, right? 1,500.
Yeah, we're good. That was a look at the first 2 days traveling into India here, getting acclimated to the time zone. It's 12 and a half hours difference from Portland here to India. And it's great to have that down day to get acclimated and to see the city. It was great getting out and checking things out and being able to do that after a couple meetings in the morning, to have that time to go out and see some stuff. And again, to acclimate to the time zone. Tomorrow's a scout day, and then we get into the full shooting of everything. But one key thing you want to always remember to check and have with you when you're on traveling to different countries is a good converter, power converter, so you can charge all your stuff and power everything without blowing anything up. So having a good power converter that works in all the countries is a must-have. So, yeah, I'm backing up. What I normally do at night in these hotel rooms is work. But anyway, thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate it. Like and subscribe and all that business. And until a little behind the scenes on day 4 here, I'm out. Got to get back to work.